Hello guys, welcome to Excel Tech Academy. My name is Neha. I am Microsoft Certified Data Analytics Trainer. Today we are going to learn about how to use SUMIF function in Excel. When do we use the sum function in Excel? We use the sum function when we want to add numbers based on a specific condition or criteria. So here there is a data with out and in and their corresponding values are given. Now I want to calculate the total for only the out entries. Now we have to calculate total out in the D4 cell. So type sum if and bracket open. Now we have to select range. Range means we need to select the range where our criteria is located. So our criteria is from A3 up to A22 range. Then comma criteria. So we have to type the criteria here inside double inverted commas. So in double inverted comma, type out, double inverted comma, close, then comma, sum range. Sum range means the data column for which we want to calculate the total. That is value column. So select the range from B3 up to B22, then bracket close and enter. So the total for out will be calculated here. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.